Hello traders and investors, welcome back to another Finance Magnates video review. Today we're taking a closer look at Axi, a multi-asset broker that positions itself as a global provider of trading access. In this review, we'll walk through what Axi offers in terms of regulation, platforms, market coverage, account options, and customer support. This video is for informational purposes only and should not be taken as investment advice or a recommendation to open an account. The goal is to give you a clear overview so you can decide whether Axi aligns with your own trading objectives and risk tolerance. Let's start with who Axi is and how it is supervised. Axi describes itself as a multi-asset broker and states that it has been operating for around 18 years. Rather than focusing on branding or marketing claims, we'll focus on the structural elements beginning with regulation. Axi lists authorization from several regulators, including the UK Financial Conduct Authority, the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, the Dubai Financial Services Authority, and the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission. In addition, Axi is licensed for business in St. Vincent and the Grenadines. For anyone considering opening an account, it's important to verify these licenses directly on each regulator's official register. You should also confirm which specific legal entity you would be contracting with, as that determines things like applicable protections, leverage limits, and how complaints or disputes are handled. From there, we look at trading platforms and tools. Axi supports MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, its proprietary Axi Trading App, and copy trading functionality. MetaTrader 4 remains one of the most widely used platforms in the Forex and CFD space, offering charting, technical indicators, and support for automated trading through expert advisors. MetaTrader 5 builds on that foundation with additional timeframes, more order types, and broader product coverage. The Axi Trading App is designed for mobile use, allowing traders to monitor markets, manage positions, and access their accounts while away from a desktop setup. Alongside this, Axi offers copy trading, which allows users to follow and automatically replicate the trades of selected strategy providers. As with any form of copy trading, it's important to remember that past performance does not guarantee future results, and risk management remains the trader's responsibility. In terms of market coverage, Axi lists more than 490 tradable instruments. These cover multiple asset classes such as Forex pairs and CFDs on indices and commodities, in line with Axi's multi-asset positioning. The exact mix of instruments, along with contract specifications such as minimum trade sizes, typical spreads, and trading hours, should be reviewed directly on Axi's product listings to confirm availability and conditions. When it comes to account structures and trading conditions, the overview here is intentionally high level. Axi indicates that swap-free or Islamic account options are available, which may be relevant for traders who require accounts aligned with Islamic finance principles. The exact conditions for these accounts can vary by instrument and may include specific rules on holding periods or alternative administrative charges. Anyone considering a swap-free account should review Axi's dedicated documentation or speak directly with a client success team before proceeding. This overview does not go into detailed breakdowns of live account types, minimum deposits, leverage levels, or pricing models. The same applies to spreads, commissions, margin requirements, and stop-out thresholds. Traders should verify these conditions directly on Axi's official website or confirm them with a client success team. This also includes checking whether any deposit, withdrawal, or inactivity fees apply, as well as how overnight financing is calculated for each instrument. Funding and withdrawals are another area where direct confirmation is important. Axi may support a range of funding methods such as bank transfers, cards, and electronic payment services, depending on the client's region. To avoid confusion later, it's worth checking which payment methods are available to you, what the expected processing times are, and whether your bank or payment provider applies its own fees or currency conversion charges. Customer support is one of the clearer areas of Axi's offering. Support operates 24/7 through multiple channels, including a help center on the website, live chat, email, and phone support. Axi also highlights multilingual support, offering assistance in English, French, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Arabic, traditional Chinese, simplified Chinese, Japanese, Thai, and Vietnamese. For many traders, access to support in their preferred language can be a practical advantage, especially during periods of higher market volatility. It's also worth mentioning Axi's content and media presence. The broker maintains an official YouTube channel, which is referenced as a source of trading-related content. As with any broker-produced material, this content should be treated as general information rather than personalized advice. It may be useful for understanding platforms or following market commentary, but it should not replace independent research, testing, or risk management. Taken as a whole, Axi positions itself as a multi-asset broker operating under regulatory frameworks in several regions, including the United Kingdom, Australia, the United Arab Emirates, and Cyprus. Traders can access markets through MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Axi's mobile trading app, and copy trading features, with more than 490 instruments available across different markets. Swap-free account options are available, and customer support operates 24/7, offering assistance across multiple languages through live chat, email, an online help center, and callback service. Even so, important details such as account structures, leverage limits, fees, and funding conditions are things traders should always review and confirm directly before opening an account. This review is not a verdict on whether Axi is suitable for you. Instead, it is a structured snapshot of what the broker offers. Before making any decision, traders should independently verify regulatory details on official regulator websites, review the latest legal documents and trading conditions on Axi's own site, compare its features with other brokers, and carefully assess their own experience level and ability to manage risk. Trading Forex and CFDs on margin involves a high level of risk and is not suitable for everyone. If you found this review helpful, feel free to leave a comment with your thoughts or questions. For more structured broker reviews and industry coverage, subscribe to the Finance Magnates channel. As always, make sure you do your own research and manage your risk carefully. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.